California gas prices. $4.43 for some gas. I'm on my way to Vegas right now. There is a billboard with my face on it. I did a shoot for Instagram probably about a month ago, and it's already up. I didn't even know they were gonna do it for a billboard. They just said like for an ad, and I was like, whatever. So, but they're using it. I'm on a billboard in Las Vegas. I've never been on a billboard before. This is like a bucket list of mine, and so I am driving 5 hours to Vegas right now to see my face. Let's go. I made it to Vegas, guys. Look at the puppies. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? So we're getting a little antsy. We're about to pull up to my billboard. I think what I'm worried about is it not being there. I drove pretty far for it not to be there. Is it this one? The round one. We're just gonna sit here. Jeez, we're not even gonna be able to see it. Bruh. Okay, it's this one right there, obviously.
How many they have? There's probably like 200 different billboards out there.
Really? Oh, there it is. Maverick Leonard. It even says my name. What the hell? That's crazy.
I can't see it.
Dead ass says my name, bro.
That's crazy.
Maverick Leonard. Hey, you see that guy? That's, hey. I don't.
That's crazy, bro.
That's great. It's gone, just like that.
Yeah,
It says my
more screen
name.
time.
Dead ass, bro. Just like 10 seconds, guys.
Oh, we spilled.
Look at you, bro. I gotta see my face again. It said Maverick Leonard on it, bro. Alright. Oops. Since I can't be showing my knees like that for the Insta photo, we bought a pair of pants in this 100-degree weather. What you guys thinking? Fit, go hard? Throw some foes. Right there. There. Wow. Who's that handsome guy? Who's that handsome guy?
I don't know.
You see anybody? Recognize anybody up there? No? Yeah. Wow. So
That's it.
that's it. That's it. Pretty cool. And who is that guy? They even got the app, bro. Hey, but Instagram next time, you should verify me. Just saying. Well, who is that handsome ass devil? What is this?
I don't really.
Oh, Baccarat.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Are you in big bucks?
Yeah.
Big bucks?
Let me see you guys.
Guys, my 240 did not go far. I sold it to my friend Bobby. No seat on this side either? No cushion?
I feel like you sit too high.
But still, like, now there's no cushion, bro.
They're back here.
I just need a little bit. Oh, there we go. But we're in Mexico. Bobby wants to go test it out. Yeah, he hasn't slid in this thing yet. First gear.
First?
Yeah, no way, second. Second's too fast. Damn, that car looks so good, bro. I miss it, man. Hey, sell me a back. Oh, this looks good.
Huh?
This looks good. All filmed in Mexico. Gil is back.
Yeah,
And we're compression testing it right now because you want to compression test everything before you buy anything. So this is the car so far.
But I'm getting oil on one of the spark plugs that's on the inside. I plugged in the compressor to the cylinder, and then when we cranked it, it got oil on the compressor tester too. Is that blow by? Does that mean it has blow?
Yeah, the pressure's not going up.
No, it went up. It went to 150. But
Okay, 150. Yeah, you one of the O-rings is kind of messing up.
yeah.
Oh, you almost hit the boat, bro. Ooh, that's a good angle. Oh, that's not sounding good. Alright, so Gil went to go test drive the car. He's owned plenty of 350Zs, Corvettes, so a really good driver. So I trust his opinion really well when it comes to Zs. I think he's turning around right now. The Z sounds soft. Me and Gil got a 2.5 hour drive home. The Z ended up being a bust. The MAF sensor was all messed up. On cylinder 1 and 3, there's some oil in it, in the spark plugs. MAF was all messed up. He reset the car and then the car started running fine, but I'd rather not take the risk. I don't want to just go and spend some money on a car, go straight to the shop
Use the right lane
for
to take the
something
exit
stupid.
onto Ocean View
We
Boulevard.
passed the exit again.
Again, bro? What about a bat?
So I was trying to pay attention. I was where are we going?
You gonna turn around again?
Yeah, now we're gonna 10 more minutes. Oh my god, look at that. It needs a little bit of work, some TLC.
It needs a new MAF and new
O-rings.
new O-rings for the spark plugs because oil keeps on seeping into them. And it's either they pressed them in too hard when they put the head on. It needs a new MAF and it needs a new O-rings for the spark plug.
What the f is this chick doing?
She wildin' wild. So tune in for part 2 where we hunt for a new car or the same car if he fixes the issues. I told you.
11.